All right, bright and early this morning they put this into final paint, and looks fantastic. Barry has done a really nice job, and this is actually a factory type of application. Put a seam sealer around all the rivets that go through to seal them up from, say, water penetrating down through. And that's the way it is from the factory. Sort of a little odd the way it looks, but that is a factory application, if you want to call it that. And to match it, we have the bezel, which goes around the headlight, is completed as well. Super sharp. So both these things sitting here today to kick off and dry, and then I think they'll be applied to the vehicle shortly.